We're going over 50 deals today to save you cash. You're welcome. It's Motion Mondays.
Rebecca.
Black
Metal.
Friday edition. All right, here's the deal you've been waiting for. School of Motion's Black Friday sale starts this Friday at 8 a.m. Eastern and runs through Wednesday, December 3rd at 5 p.m. We're offering 25% off annual subscriptions to All Access, our biggest sale of the year and your best shot at learning basically anything in motion design. Your timing also couldn't be better. Our next live workshop for members drops December 11th, featuring Audrey Havey talking about motion design for video games and esports. Then on December 15th, we're launching UX Animation Essentials taught by Ivan Witteborg, senior motion designer at Google, getting you up to speed in UI and UX animation. Set your alarms for Friday, 8 a.m. Eastern. The coupon code will be visible everywhere on our site. Use it before the sale ends and upgrade your skills in preparation for 2026. We really hope to see you in class. All right, let's start this roundup with some production assets. First up, Boom Library's amazing sound design and music collection is offering a clever 3-for-2 sale. Add 3 items to your cart and the lowest priced one is free. It's great for stocking up on music and sound effects. Our friends at Artlist are offering up to 40% off plus 2 extra months free on subscriptions. Stock music, sound effects, footage, templates, and now AI tools for video, images, and voiceovers. It's a solid deal if you need a one-stop media shop. Our pals at Greyscalegorilla are offering 40% off their Plus subscription for Cyber Month. Annual plan required, but you get instant access to over 6,000 assets, materials, textures, models, HDRIs, and more. An absolute steal if you're a 3D artist. Greyscalegorilla's new partner Kit Bash 3D is doing 40% off everything for Cyber Month. That includes every kit and their unlimited subscription, giving you access to a massive library of 3D assets. Their assets are very high quality. This is an awesome deal. Retro Supply Company is offering 50% off nearly everything. Texture packs, brushes for Procreate, Photoshop, Illustrator, and Affinity, plus fonts and bundles. If you do digital illustration or graphic design, these are some of the best assets around. Visual Timmy is offering 50 to 90% off digital art tools. These are Procreate brushes and textures for complex effects like inks, watercolors, detailed paper textures, and halftones. A killer deal for illustrators. Creative Market's Cyber Sale runs through December 4th. They sell templates for layouts, presentations, websites, prints, social media, plus textures, patterns, stock illustrations, and elements. Most of it marked down, ready for use in your projects. Happy Editing is offering 50% off their editing assets. Also useful for motion designers, but editors will love the transitions and templates that make plussing your edit way faster. CG Trader is offering up to 70% off nearly 2 million 3D models, including rigged and textured options in multiple formats. If you need 3D assets, this is a good time to stock up. Lens Distortions is offering new members up to $200 in savings on all plans. Stock music, sound effects, color grading tools like LUTs, and overlay footage to make your edits stand out. This is a cool resource, and it's a great time to check it out. One of our favorites, True Grit Texture Supply is offering 50 to 70% off everything. Some of the best Photoshop, Procreate, and Affinity brushes, textures, and actions for analog, distressed, and retro vibes. Don't sleep on this one. Our friends at the Pixel Lab are offering 30% off all their design and VFX assets with code PIXEL30. Amazing VDB packs for volumetrics, splashes, textures, and other goodies for 3D artists and motion designers. Action VFX is offering up to 80% off collections, subscriptions, courses, and bundles. They make extremely high-quality VFX assets used in films and shows worldwide, and they are constantly adding new libraries. Cosmos is offering up to 70% off all their assets, environments, 3D models, materials, sound, VFX assets. It's amazing stuff for world building in Unreal Engine, Unity, or pretty much any 3D app. And finally, MyFonts is having a massive sale with giant discounts on some beautiful typefaces. If you're a typeface hoarder, like me, head on over and browse everything on sale. And now some software deals for you fine folks. Polycam is offering up to 50% off business plans. It's an amazing photogrammetry app that makes it easy to capture 3D models and export both geometry and Gaussian splats. This is a great tool for cutting-edge 3D artists, so check it out. Screen Snap Pro, my favorite screen capture tool. Yeah, I know, it's pretty dorky. But it is great, and they are currently offering 50% off lifetime subscriptions with the code shown on screen. It makes capturing beautiful screenshots way easier. Trust me, you need this if you post your work or case studies on social media or have to use screen grabs a lot in your work. Adobe's Black Friday event runs through November 28th. Save 50% on your first year of Creative Cloud Pro, over $400 in savings. It's the best time of year to join if you haven't already. There are also great deals for students, teachers, and teams, and even discounts on Firefly plans. Preparing for our upcoming Cavalry course launching early next year, our friends at Cavalry are offering 33% off one-year Pro subscriptions from the 27th through December 2nd. A powerful free version of Cavalry exists, but Pro unlocks some crazy features that you'll eventually want to use. Grab this deal if you are Cavalry curious. Reallusion is offering 50% off everything until November 30th and up to 90% off some bundles. You can grab incredibly photorealistic pre-rigged characters that work with Reallusion's character creator, iClone, and are compatible with Unreal's metahumans. And now for some plugin deals, and there are a lot of these. The legendary AE Scripts and AE Plugins is doing their annual Cyber Extravaganza. Use code CYBER for 25% off literally everything. Far too many tools to list here, so take a few minutes and browse. Time and Pixels makes amazing color grading plugins for Resolve, Premiere, After Effects, and most other editors. They're doing 30% off all new purchases with code SCOPESBF2025. Check out their professional grade scopes and external monitoring tools. Plugin Everything is offering 25% off until December 5th. They make Deep Glow, Shadow Studio, and other gorgeous plugins that have become go-tos for top designers. Very, very useful stuff. The good folks at Plug and Play are offering 20% off their large and growing list of plugins for Premiere and After Effects, which can be bought a la carte or as a subscription where you get all the tools, which is a nice way to do it in my opinion. Their sale starts November 26th and runs through December 2nd. All the details will be on their site. The Mighty Battle Axe is doing a Cyber Week sale starting the 28th through December 5th, 30% off everything, including the recently updated Overlord, which now works flawlessly with Photoshop. They also make the indispensable plugins Anubis, Rubber Hose, and Time Lord. David Boscolo's After Effects tools Shade and KEs are on sale until Christmas. You get 20% off one product or 30% off if you buy both. Shade is a slick color palette manager. KEs is a killer easing tool that lets you apply curves across keyframes. Super handy. Good Boy Ninja is having end-of-year sales with the lowest prices all year, up to 40% off tools, including the incredible Skew Pro, the ultimate keyframe and layer shifter with one of the coolest interfaces for After Effects ever. Also, don't sleep on Railway for path animation. Boris FX is running their Black Friday sale through the 30th. All new purchases are discounted 25%, no coupon needed. Note, monthly subscriptions only discount the first month, so probably best to go annual. Mocha Pro and Synthesize are my favorite tools of theirs, with incredible machine learning for roto and tracking. Effects Factory is offering 30% off everything until December 3rd with code Black Friday. They have tons of visual effects and audio plugins for Final Cut, Premiere, After Effects, and DaVinci Resolve. Motion VFX makes plugins for Final Cut, DaVinci Resolve, Adobe Premiere, and After Effects, as well as compositing elements. Everything is up to 50% off. Check it out for great look development tools, utilities, and graphics toolkits. Rocket Lasso is doing a Black Friday deal with code 40Friday. If you're a Cinema 4D artist, check out their tools like Voxel Mesher, Mesh to Spline, Slicer, Ricochet, and Field Driver. Everything is 40% off, and these are Cinema 4D power tools. Insidium is also having a Black Friday sale. Everything is half price with code BLKHalf through December 3rd. This includes X-Particles, Nexus, Tau, and everything else. These are among the most powerful Cinema 4D tools on the market. Polygon Flow is offering 25% off perpetual licenses of Dash tools, world-building tools for Unreal Engine that our own honestly won't stop raving about. These tools help create variety, scatter, and realistic randomness. Use code NOV25. And finally, Toolfarm is having their annual Black Friday sale on thousands of plugins and pieces of software. They resell tons of tools, so it's one-stop shopping. Deals are up to 80% off, including 40% off Video Copilot tools, 10% off DaVinci Resolve, 20% off V-Ray, and more. Make sure you check the dates on everything, as different tools may have different sales terms. And now let's move on to hardware deals. B&H is offering incredible deals site-wide. Cameras, memory, support, audio, cases, hundreds or thousands of dollars off, like $500 off a Canon Mark II camera, $1,700 off an NVIDIA RTX Pro 6000 Blackwell GPU, still insanely expensive, or $300 off a 16-inch M4 Pro MacBook Pro, very insane. Amazon is also doing Black Friday with incredible Apple deals. Grab a brand new 11-inch iPad for 20% off, that's under $300, or a new MacBook Air with an M4 chip for $750, that's 25% off. Don't sleep on these. XP Pen, the Wacom competitor making well-reviewed drawing tablets, is offering up to 50% off through December 5th. They make a wide range of sizes from 12 to 22 inches. Their Artist Pro 22 is $200 cheaper, only $500, which is kind of an incredible deal. Dell's Black Friday sale is also pretty sweet. Save up to $750 on desktops and laptops, plus great monitors. Grab a 32-inch 6K monitor for $185 off, or a 27-inch 4K monitor for $45 off. There are tons of options. Atomos makes some of the best monitor recorders. It's actually what we use at School of Motion. And they're having a sale where you can save hundreds of dollars. If you're doing content creation or production, these make life so much easier, especially for DSLR shooting. Let's pause for 1 minute to showcase our School of Motion Student of the Week, Julien Andreau from France, an art director and freelance motion designer with beautiful work on Instagram and a killer portfolio showcasing a wide range of unique styles. Julien says he's an old motion designer, 40-ish. That doesn't actually sound that old to me, Julien. But what pushed him into All Access was this. He said, in our field, I'm sure of one thing and one thing only. There are always ways to get better. Julien recently completed the 3 spheres exercise from Design Kickstart, an exercise asking students to play with figure ground, composition, and repetition using constrained elements, only 2 colors, some type, and circles. The challenge is creating movement and variety across frames using very few elements by varying composition, scale, and figure ground relationships. Julien did an amazing job with some really nice critique from TA and St. Louis. I love when artists like Julien, even decades into their career, keep pushing themselves to learn new skills. Julien, your work is already great, and I'm honored that we can be a part of your journey. So thank you so much for being a part of All Access. I cannot wait to see what you do next. All right, back to the deals. Best Buy is having crazy deals like Apple AirPods Max for $120 off or $40 off new AirPods 4 with active noise canceling. There's a lot more on their site, but they have great options if you need new headphones. The chair everybody wants, the Herman Miller, is doing 25% off everything. The Aeron chair is $400 to $600 off depending on the model. If you're in the market for a good chair, your back will thank you. EJ and I both have Bamboo 3D printers, and they're offering up to 47% off site-wide. The P1S, which is what I have at home, is only $400. The add-on for 4-color printing is only $220 extra, basically half off. If you're a 3D artist and thinking of getting into 3D printing, this is absolutely the time to do it, and Bamboo makes incredible machines. Paperlike is doing a Black Friday deal on their iPad screen covers that make your screen feel like paper. Spend $50, get free pencil grips, spend $100 and get grips plus a cleaning kit. The covers really make drawing on tablets much nicer. Uplift makes incredible standing desks. I actually have one, though right now I'm sitting. And they're having a sale where you can save up to $670 on their new V3. They have a lot of different shapes, sizes, and finishes. The desks are also built like a tank. They're fully electronic with push-button height adjustment. If you're like me and trying to pre-lose your holiday weight, Deer Run makes great under-the-desk treadmills. Save $120 on their base model with remote control, making this treadmill only $150 during Black Friday. Save money, get abs. Now we've got a few business tools for you. If you're not using a CRM, customer relationship management software, check out Kit, an amazing CRM and marketing tool. It makes it easy to collect contacts, nurture leads, and automate marketing. During their sale, you get 60% off your first 3 months, only $16 a month for up to 1,000 contacts. And let's be honest, you don't know 1,000 people. Our friends at Motion Hatch are offering the Client Magnet Bundle for 60% off through December 2nd. Get their best client-getting courses in one bundle: Client Quest, live workshop recordings, and passive income for motion designers. Webflow, the industry standard for professional websites, is offering 3 free months, 12 for the price of 9, with code WFBlackFriday2025. It's insanely powerful with native Rive, Lottie, and Spline support. Plans start at $11 a month. This is the platform that School of Motion's site runs on, and there are tons of great templates to get you started. And if you take advantage of the Webflow deal, why not learn Webflow? My friend Ron Segal's Flux Academy is offering 40% off all web design courses plus 4 months extra mentorship. Get all their courses or just the Webflow Masterclass. I've taken this class. It has really helped me immensely in building complicated stuff in Webflow. And that is 50 Black Friday deals. I really hope something caught your eye, and you can find links and info about all 50 deals in the Roundup blog post on our site. The link will be in the description where it always is. Don't forget to set your alarms for this Friday, 8 a.m. Eastern. Our Black Friday sale begins, 25% off annual All Access subscriptions. This is the biggest sale we do all year. You'll save a lot. You'll get access to every course we offer with unlimited critique from professional motion designers, access to our community, monthly live workshops, including December 11th with Audrey Havey on motion design for video games and esports, and first dibs on UX Animation Essentials dropping December 15th. If you celebrate Thanksgiving, I really hope you have an incredible one. And if not, well, I'm thankful for you being part of School of Motion's community. If you've been considering All Access, this is the best time of year to do it. Reach out to our team with questions. We're standing by to help you pick the best class to level up your skills and make 2026 your best year ever. Have an amazing week. We will be back next Monday.